Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Hope you guys are doing well. So today we are going to create our basic Power Automate flow. Let's discuss first what is Power Automate flow. Power Automate is a service that helps us create automated workflow between different apps and different services. First, what is workflow? Workflow is a series of steps you want to perform. And what are different apps and services? Your apps and services can be Dynamics 365, Outlook 365, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, MS Teams. Like there are different types of apps and services you want to use in your workflow, in your Power Automate flow. So what are the different examples we can do? We can perform actions in Power Automate flow. Let's suppose you are going to create a record in Dynamics 365 and you want to send email automatically. Second example may be when record is created in Dynamics 365, post a message to a specific Microsoft Teams channel automatically. Third example may be when posting on the Facebook, post the same thing to the Twitter automatically. Or when email is received, check if there is any attachment or check any keyword in the subject of the email automatically. So we can perform these actions on these triggers. What are triggers, what are connectors, and what are actions? I will tell you later in this video. And there will be many more examples for Power Automate flow. So let's get started. Okay, in this flow what we are going to do, when record is created in Dynamics 365 in accounts entity, email will be sent automatically for that record. So our part in Power Automate would be sending email. Our action would be sending email. So let's start. Click over here, create, and we can have different flows in Power Automate: automated flow, instant flow, schedule flow, UI flow, business process flow. But today we are going to create automated flow. So click over here, just give the name. It can be anything like send email when account is created. Where that account will be created? In Dynamics 365. So we will use over here Dynamics 365. I will tell you when I write Dynamics over here how this list has been populated. So now we are going to create record in Dynamics 365. So we will use this trigger, create. Okay, I used a connector of Dynamics 365. So I have over here organization of that from that connector, and in this organization I have different types of entities over here and over here. So I will be having the list of those entities over here. Why? Because I used this organization name, and from this organization I have different entities. This one. So these entities come from this organization, and this organization come from the connector I used Dynamics in my last screen. I will tell you later about this. Now my trigger is ready. When record is created in this entity, in this organization, in the Dynamics 365, this trigger should run. But what should this trigger do? We will specify actions in this next step. So these are the actions. Choose the action. Okay, we are going to send email in Outlook, so we will use Outlook connector over here. Outlook, we will use this one. Okay, but let's suppose if I say I wanna post this record on Facebook, so I will use Facebook connector over here. Facebook, right? In the same way, if you want to do anything in Twitter, you can use Twitter connector. In the same way, LinkedIn, you will have different actions from the LinkedIn. If you want to post this record information when it is created in Dynamics, you want to post something in Microsoft Teams channel, you will use Teams, so Microsoft Teams. So you will perform these actions from the Microsoft Teams. But we are interested to send email, we will use Outlook. I will select this connector, and now I have different types of actions from this Outlook connector. I can create, okay, when this record is created, I can create account, I can create event, I can send email, delete contact, and so many things. But we are interested to send email. Okay, for email, to send email, we have to specify which email address you want to send email to. So I will use my email. I will put subject over here, and account has been created. This is a static text, means whatever record is created in Dynamics account, this static text would be same for all records. But I want to make it dynamic. I want to show which account has been created with the name. So I would use over here the name of the account. I can click over here and I can select any field from the account entity, but I would use account name. This is optional, it is up to you. I just put apostrophe before in the beginning and in the end, so it will show the account name what you have created in your Dynamics. In the body of email, let me type in the body of email. So I just type this information. This is a static information. Now I will put account name in front of this, and again you can click over here just to show you. Click over here, it will show this information from the Dynamics. So account name, city, you can search over here city, and created on means created, like this is the created date. I can search created on over here. So shows the date and time when the record was created, and just save this flow. Now this flow has been saved. This is a trigger when this workflow should start running, and this is the action. What should this trigger do? Just check flow checker, and you can start, you can create record over here. Click new, just what should I write over, like my new company corporation. Okay, and we use the city as well, so we can put city Toronto. Just save this. Okay, record has been saved and we received email. See, account, and this is the account. This is the information I put in my account name, and account my new company corporation has been created. This is the information, and this is the dynamic information I just selected in my workflow, in my Power Automate flow. City Toronto, and this is the created date. And you can check over here in my flows the history of that workflow, run history, and you can see this was run successfully. So this was the Power Automate very basic flow, automated flow, when we create a record in Dynamics in account entities, and then that workflow sent email to my email address. You can use any email address over there. So hope it is clear to you how to create basic Power Automate flow in Power Automate. And please do let me know how did you like this, how did you find this video, and please recommend me if there is any shortcoming in that video. Thank you. Bye.